Hi, this is Anthony Taggart from theswingengineer.com. This is part 2 in my series explaining the Power Accumulators. In the golfing machine, Mr. Kelly tells us, power is applied to the lever assemblies through pressure points. Power is applied to the pressure points by power accumulators. So what is a pressure point? It's a part of your body where you can feel yourself pushing the left arm or club during the swing. Each power accumulator has its own unique pressure point location. So by learning how to differentiate between them, you can feel for yourself which power accumulators you're using during the swing. You can also control how much power you're applying to the left arm and club by how much pressure you're feeling in those locations. The higher the pressure, the more powerful the swing. So now onto the power accumulators themselves. Mr. Kelly describes them as out-of-line conditions of the power package components, and that out of line simply means not in a straight line from end to end. He goes on to say, releasing them to seek their inline condition releases their stored potential. So in other words, the power accumulators are made up of two elements, two straight lines which are joined together. When we decrease the angle between those lines, we are accumulating power. When we increase the angle between these lines, moving them towards their straight line condition, we are releasing their accumulated power. And it's this release of accumulated power that moves the left arm and club, the primary and secondary levers. The first power accumulator is what Mr. Kelly calls muscle power. It is the bending and straightening of the right arm at the elbow joint. The right arm bends when accumulating power and straightens when releasing it. So very simply, it's pushing the left arm and club with the right arm. This is a power accumulator that moves the primary lever assembly. The pressure point for this accumulator is located in the heel of the right hand where it touches either the left thumb or the club's grip, depending on how you're holding the club. It's important to note here that you should limit the amount of right arm bend to around 90 degrees at most. If you bend the right arm further than this, it will affect the whole structure of the power package. I'll discuss this further another time. But for now, that's the first power accumulator. Quite simply, the bending and straightening of the right arm to push the left arm and club through impact. If you'd like to read more about the accumulators and other concepts from the golfing machine, you can do so at my website, theswingengineer.com.